Hi traders, in this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps as to how to open a trade from the XM website. Whether you're trading Forex, commodities, or any other markets, placing an order is simple and intuitive. Start by selecting an instrument from the watch list. Let's choose EURUSD, for instance, from the Popular tab. To place a trade, simply tap on Buy or Sell. For this example, we'll tap Buy. Next, set the trade size. In CFD trading, quantity refers to the number of units you want to trade. A lot is a standardized unit. For example, in EURUSD, one standard lot equals 100,000 units of the base currency. Here, we'll set the quantity to 2,000 units by tapping on the plus icon. The required margin shows us how much of our available funds are needed to open and maintain this position. Once you're happy, you can go ahead and tap Place Order. You'll then see a confirmation screen, and that's it. Your trade is now active. Opening a trade with XM is fast, clear, and flexible, so you can focus on the markets that matter to you.